10 tips on kiss a guy for the first time. If you want to know how to kiss a guy, turn him on and make your lips become memorable impression after the kiss to him, you should use the following tips. 1. Come close to him. When it comes to tips on how to kiss a guy for the first time, this is so easy. Just come close your guy. Avoid reaching too far to kiss him from a significant distance, as it is uncomfortable and you could not enjoy a great first kiss. In fact, the closer you get to your guy, the more you two experience a perfect kiss and the more the chances you arouse him discreetly. 2. Let him lead. While kissing him, you should let him take the lead. If you are not dating a first-time kisser and want to kiss passionately, you should touch your lips to his lips softly and wait whilst he puts more pressure on yours. Avoid pursing your own lips or puckering up, it will harden your lips, thereby making him feel like he is currently kissing a wall. What you should do is to keep your lips supple and slightly parted. It will feel delicate and easily accessible. 3. Pop an Altoid. How to kiss a guy for the first time. Pay attention to your breath. This might be the most crucial tip on how to kiss a guy for the first time. Both girls and boys are worried about their own breath, even it is for the first or 100th kiss. If you are worrying about bad breath, then before your first kiss, you should make sure that you have some mints or banaka. Remember to stay yourself away from those aromatic things such as garlic or onions. You will feel more confident and comfortable if you know your breath is sweet. 4. Kiss quick. The first kiss is often an icebreaker. If your first kiss gets involved lots of infatuation, you should take it slow. In order to have a memorable kiss, your first kiss should be a little soft graze of the lips of both of you, which just lasts for 1 or 2 seconds. Look into your partner's eyes while kissing. 5. Learn from each other. With your first kiss, you should not force it to prevent it turning into a bad experience. Just simply learn step by step. When you two kiss the other person softly for a couple of times, you then can witness how either of you usually move whilst kissing and take advantage of the cues to build a new style of kissing. 6. Part them up. After several grazes of kissing, you can start lingering your lips on his for a few more seconds. Gently part your lips a little bit to signal him that you are ready for his next level of kissing, using a little bit of tongue. 7. Use touching. Upon starting kissing your guy, you can slowly place the hand on your boyfriend's shoulder, under the arms. That way, you will bring you two closer and create sexual tension. And, when getting closer, you are also implying that it is alright for your boyfriend to touch your back. Also, you will give your guy space to comfortably his hands against your own face whilst kissing. Let him know it is okay to touch, okay to move on, but not too far. 8. Use body contact. When it comes to learning how to kiss a guy for the first time, body contact is so powerful. Body contact could be intimate and sexy concurrently. Yet what makes body contact great for your first kiss experience is that you will turn your man on without sounding like you are too easy to get. When kissing him, you gently get closer and also slide the hand to the back of your boyfriend. If you do this move properly, his chest will be ideally positioned to graze yours each time the two of you move whilst kissing. This will become his memorable experience of himself when it comes to first kiss. 9. Move the face. Among useful tips on how to kiss a guy for the first time, moving is one of the powerful techniques that you should not overlook. In simple words, when kissing him, you should lift the chin up before turning sideways gently, so your guy could kiss your neck and chin as well. Also, by moving your lips, you will make your kiss more memorable and intimate than just a simple kiss on the lips without any move. Moreover, it can turn him on a lot. 10. Create a series of kisses. In fact, the first kiss seems not really a first single kiss. It is a series of a few kisses which can help you two understand the kissing styles of each other and promote intimacy. To create a perfect kiss, you should spend a few minutes on kissing your guy for the first time, so you two will then feel more connected.